It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the closing ceremony of our portrait workshop, a journey that began with curiosity, a blank canvas, and a willingness to express stories through art. Over the past 20 days, our participants have explored not only the techniques of portrait making but also the deeper art of observation, learning to see emotion, character, and humanity in every stroke. Today, we are not just celebrating the completion of a workshop, we are celebrating each individual's courage to try, to learn, and to express. It is now my honor to introduce our distinguished guest for this special occasion, a woman of integrity, vision, and action. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Sowjanya Garu, who is a committed advocate for justice and transparency and a respected figure in the fight against corruption as part of the Anti-Corruption Foundation of India as Telangana State Coordinator. Her work reminds us that, like a portrait reveals truth through layers of light and shadow, our society too depends on brave individuals who are willing to uncover truth and stand up for what's right. We are grateful to have her with us, not just as a guest but as an inspiration. We look forward to hearing from her shortly. So let us now begin the celebration of your hard work, your art, and the values that unite us. Thank you.